What is up guys, Dan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the microphone not working on the NVIDIA application. So first you need to go to the Windows search bar and then you need to type Task Manager. And after that, open the Task Manager and then at the top on the search bar, you need to type for NVIDIA. And after that, if any of the task is going on the NVIDIA application, just right click on that and then click on End Task so that the NVIDIA does not even run on the background. And after closing the application, you just need to go to the File Explorer and then you need to delete all the files and folders of your NVIDIA application and then reinstall it from the browser and from this official website of nvidia.com. But if you don't want to reinstall it, just simply close the NVIDIA application and restart the application. But if it still doesn't solve the problem, just simply restart your microphone and input settings. And you can just change it from here by just going to the settings. And then in the settings, you can choose the sound option, and from the sound, when you scroll down a bit in the input section, you just make sure that you have selected the microphone that you are speaking from. And then this is how you will fix the microphone issue which is not working on NVIDIA application. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.